Do you have fat stored on both sides of your waist, what people call love handles? And no matter how many ab exercises you try, it just won't go away! Well, here's the solution. Watch this video till the end. This exercise directly targets your side fat and strengthens your obliques and core muscles, giving your body that V-shaped athletic look. And the move is just one. Russian twist. Sit on the floor, bend your knees, lean back slightly into a V position, and twist your upper body side to side with your hands together. That's the Russian twist, the simplest way to burn side fat. Doing Russian twists daily melts away love handles, strengthens your obliques, slims your waistline, and builds a powerful core that completely transforms your body shape. Just imagine, if you do 3-4 sets of Russian twists every day for only 10 minutes, in just 3 weeks, your extra waist fat will start disappearing. Remember, transformation doesn't come from magic pills. It comes from consistency. So if you truly want to lose side fat and build a fit, sharp body, start doing Russian twists today and watch yourself transform in the mirror.